Nuk më besohet tjerë dhe më në fund këtu. Pas gjithë atyre që imagjinuam, realiteti kësaj nate me siguri që e bën natën më të bukur në botë.
At the gala, at the gala, in the garden, I'm going to see them all. All the creatures, I'll befriend them at the gala. At the gala. All the birdies and the critters, they will love me big and small. We'll become good friends forever, right here at the gala.
All our dreams will come true, right here at the gala. At the gala.
At the gala, I will sell them all my apple-tastic treats. Hungry ponies, they will buy them. Caramel apples, apple sweets. And I'll earn a lot of money for the apple family.
All our dreams and our hopes from now until hereafter. All that we've been wishing for will happen at the gala.
At the gala, all the royals, they will meet fair rarity. They will see I'm just as regal at the gala.
At the gala.
I will find him, my Prince Charming, and how gallant he will be. He will treat me like a lady tonight at the gala.
This is what we waited for, to have the best night ever. Each of us will live our dreams tonight at the gala. At the gala.
Been dreaming, I've been waiting to fly with those great ponies. The wonder bolts, their daring tricks, spinning round and having kicks. Perform for crowds of thousands, they'll shower us with diamonds. The wonder bolts will see me right here at the
Oh,
gala.
live on for all we dreamed, our happy ever after. Finally we'll all come true right here at the grand gala. At the gala.
I am here at the grand gala, for it is the best party. But the one thing it was missing was a pony named Pinky. For I am the best at parties, all the ponies will agree. Ponies playing, ponies dancing with me at the grand gala.
Happiness and laughter at the gala. At the gala.
At the gala, with the princess is where I'm going to be. We will talk all about magic and what I've learned and seen. It is going to be so special as she takes time just for me.
This will be the best night ever. Into the gala we must go, we're ready now, we're all aglow. Into the gala, let's go in and have the best night ever. Into the gala now.